Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. I want to get into some talk because there has been a stunning exchange go down right now within crypto. All right, and I'm going to get into this as we get closer to the CPI data release. All right, so we're going to break it down. A little Bitcoin breaking news for you guys on this Wednesday. So let's get down into it. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button, and let's get into what's going on within this $500 million Bitcoin withdrawal. Okay, so that's kind of what's happened. It's a stunning maneuver. This is one where within the CPI data release, some people look to hedge their bets, some people look to bet big, some people look to take a little bit less risk. So it's really just a mixed bag, but this is what we're seeing right now in the market. So I want to talk about it and show you guys exactly what's going down with Bitcoin on the chart as well. Here we are trading hands up a little bit at 62,365. We look into Bitcoin on here on the chart here on Margex. Very exciting though that you look at this descending triangle. Look for Bitcoin to break out. I think it's something that's going to happen. Obviously, not financial advice, but when we look at the Bitcoin chart, for me, it does look bullish. I know a lot of people are like, okay, well, we're going down. Not so fast. This is a little bit of a pump fake. I think all the catalysts are starting to line up for Bitcoin, and I firmly look for them to get over 60, 68, 69,000 sooner than later, okay, because I think it's what we've seen historically within the Bitcoin halving. We get these couple corrections, and then next thing you know, boom, we hit all-time highs. Well, this one's going to be a little interesting because we've already hit the all-time highs leading up to the event, right? Not in the months following the halving cycle. So it's something where I think we look into the ETFs that might have played a role into changing that gear, if you will. So it's going to be exciting to see what happens in 2024. So, but I do want to share with you guys the channel sponsor. That was the chart from Margex. Sign up today using my link down below in the description. If you guys trade on leverage, this is one where you have to use my link down below because you can enjoy up to 100x leverage and claim up to a $10,000 bonus and get signed up today just by using my link down below. So a lot of people have been having a lot of success trading Bitcoin on leverage, betting big on Bitcoin, as well as just enjoying the copy features within Margex where you can copy actual traders that rank high on the leaderboard that have been having the best returns on Margex. So very exciting stuff. Check it out. Do your research. Do your due diligence. No KYC. And by all means, get started with Margex today. Okay, but back into this $500 million withdrawal. Okay, let me get this ad off your screen. But this is what we're looking at. Okay, this is coming out from Whale Alert. 8,000 Bitcoin roughly transferred from Coinbase to a new wallet. Okay, now I'm just going to go out and tell you guys 8,000 Bitcoin. Most likely that's what we're talking about within an exchange. Okay, the wallet was identified as 1JMAF, and within this pattern that we're seeing within the movement of these funds, this is what's kind of interesting. Okay, they divided that 8,000 Bitcoin into 62 other addresses. So it's absolutely crazy, right? And it even went down even further within having another $10.2 million, okay, within each of these transfers. So what were the motives? Why was this done? Well, the world will never know. That's the beauty of crypto. However, I'd hate to be on the back end of this guy's finances because that is sounds like an extreme mess. However, or girl for that matter. But for that matter, I want to talk a little bit about that further. If it was an exchange, why would an exchange transact into 62 or 63 other wallets? I believe it was 62. Okay, 62. So it gives me some pause because this is what's stunning. I think this might have been just an individual whale, okay? It's noteworthy because it's around the CPI data, which in all accounts, this is where we're looking at that as being one of the drivers of the market. But guys, we've been around the CPI releases, okay? We get a pump or we get a dump, and then all of a sudden, boom, Jay Powell says the wrong word. He says the with too much emphasis, and then all of a sudden the market sells off or it pumps. So I don't put too much stock into it unless you're looking to swing trade it, okay? We've seen April CPI not necessarily going to have an uptick in inflation, but there's still that uncertainness, that restlessness within the market, okay? It's not so much fear. I mean, fear is always going to be in crypto, but it's more so just uncertainty that we have kind of plaguing us as crypto traders. All right, and that's kind of what we're looking at. So if the CPI data comes in a little hot, obviously we're going to see a lot of volatility. So that's a great opportunity for people that trade on leverage and or people that trade more so on the daily within swing trading and so on and so forth. But this is kind of what we're looking at. So is this Bitcoin movement? Is this a huge tipping of the scale? Is this something where somebody's betting big, or quite frankly, looking to liquidate? I know for a fact that if I had that much Bitcoin, I would not be transferring it to 62 wallets if I was planning on liquidating it. Okay, sounds like this trader is possibly getting ready to start trading with that Bitcoin and something like that. So will crypto pump? That's kind of my indication. I could be wrong. Nobody has that crystal ball. And as always, this is not financial advice. So I wanted to share that with you guys here in this video. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on this huge amount of Bitcoin and what you feel is going down within the crypto markets. But I appreciate you guys watching this channel. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being a part of the team here at the Crypto Mark. Remember to check the links out down below, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.